Are you facing eviction in Palm Beach County? You have options. At Kennedy Law, we help tenants fight eviction judgments and negotiate better agreements for less than you might think. Time is running out. Don't face this alone. Our local legal team offers affordable, effective strategies to protect your rights. Call now for a free legal consultation at 561-888-2570. Our clients have seen real results. Morgan D.
We are so grateful for the friendly and compassionate staff at Kennedy Law. We would be lost without them. Thank you.
Ricardo R.
I used their services in 2019 and won my case against my landlord. I highly recommend them, especially for those on a fixed income.
Take the first step today. Your home and future matter. Kennedy Law, your trusted eviction defense team.